Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yukata from Chayatsuji Kimono. I realized the other day that I have an actual folding tutorial when it comes to kimono, but it's not actually really visible what I'm doing. So for today I'm going to just reshoot it and do a proper how to fold kimono tutorial for you. Now I started out by just laying the kimono here on the ground with the good side back. First one to do is grab one of the side seams. Just making sure that everything is nice and flat. Then we're going to fold back the first part. It should fall back almost by itself, all the way. Also open up the collar in the back. Hope you can see it. Then we're gonna grab the other end of the collar. Just align it with the one right here. And then what I like to do is just put my hand on the end of the collar and then grab the point there and align it so that the collar and all the end pieces are lined together. And then I grab the other side seam and just pull it in all the way. So you have just one width. Then grab that. Work on the collar again. Now it should have like 3 folds, 2 that fold outwards and 1 that folds inwards, and they kind of seem diagonal. Let me just zoom in for you right there. As you can see, this is the open collar. It has 1 fold here, 1 fold here. It just folds like that. It folded on top of each other. So it has like, I want to say a W or an M. It depends on which way you're looking at. Then pull out over the sleeves. Fold sleeve back, need to zoom out. Oop. So what I did was pull everything over and sleeve back. And depending on how big your storage space is or the toshi that you put them in, you may want to fold them either into thirds or just in half. I have an actual tutorial on my channel which shows you how to fold them for a smaller size toshi. I'll just do the regular, the half. What you do is pull up the hem all the way to the top. And then if the other sleeve hasn't already moved on top, then you just put it there. So there you go guys, it's not really that difficult, but as long as you fold according to the actual fold that the kimono has already, then you can't do much wrong. So yeah, I will put this one back again, and that's it for today. I wish you a very nice day and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.